Warm greetings to all of you. I hope you are doing good and welcome back to another session of Revisedu, the learning platform. So, we were discussing about the basis of classification, which is a large topic because there is a lot of criteria that we can use to classify animals, right? So, we were discussing about a lot of points in the previous sections. So, if you missed them, you can watch it in the playlist. Now, in the last session, we were discussing about the chordates and non-chordates. Today, we will discuss about blood vascular systems and based on which criteria animals are classified here. So, why animals need blood? Just think about why we need blood. Almost all of the multicellular organisms need blood for, can you see? Yes, for oxygen transport and nutrient transport, right? We have to get gases exchanged in our body and also nutrients. So, for this, we need blood to flow throughout our body, right? So this is the purpose of blood mainly. And so there's two types of blood vascular system present in animals. Okay, as you can see here, the first one is open type circulation and the second one is closed type circulation. From the names itself, you will have an idea about these two titles. Yes. So, open type of circulation is very common among invertebrates, which is the category of lower organisms. Here, blood flows freely throughout the body cavity. Okay. In open circulation, the blood flows freely through the body cavity. Clear? There is no vessels, there is no capillaries for conducting blood. That's why they are called open type of blood vascular system. Okay. Is it clear for you? Yes. Open means there is no special structures to carry or conduct the blood. That's why it is called as open type circulation. Now, it is seen in invertebrates and it is freely flowing throughout the body cavity. Now, this is the second title, which is the closed type circulation. So, based on the previous title, you can predict what is closed type circulation. And in this category, we can classify vertebrates and also some invertebrates like earthworms. So, some of the annelids are coming under this category, which is the closed type circulation. So, what is the specialty here? What is the difference here from that of open type circulation? In closed type, here this system have got some vessels, right? Yes, the blood is not flowing freely throughout the body, but the blood is carried out by some vessels. Okay, and also there is some capillaries are present. So, as you can see here, the system has vessels that conduct blood throughout the body. So, that is the difference. In open type, there is no blood vessels. The blood is freely flowing through the body, and in a closed system, there is some blood vessels and it is carried out by the blood vessels. So, this is the difference, and let's look what are the organisms and what are the specifications in open type circulations. Are you ready? Yeah. As you can see in the picture, it is an insect which is coming under invertebrate. So, look, the entire body cavity is filled with blood and it is called as hemolymph. Okay, the blood in insects is known as hemolymph. This hemolymph is filled entirely in the body. There is no special blood vessels seen in these organisms. And through this ostium, this blood is released to the body cavity. Okay, you can see only a single vessel, which is known as the dorsal blood vessel, and bulged portions in this dorsal blood vessels act as the heart for this organism. So I repeat, in open type circulation, blood is released to the body cavity, and see, what will be the next point? Can you guess? Yes, all organs and tissues are directly in contact with this blood, which is that means all organs are directly immersed in blood, not only organs but also tissues. So hemolymph is in direct contact with these organs and tissues. Clear? And you will have a better understanding if you look at this picture. And okay, so hemolymph is directly bath the organs and tissues. Now, what is the next point? Yes, there is a dorsal blood vessel present. We have told that in open type circulation there is no vessels, but there is a main blood vessel present, and there is no capillaries present. Okay, there is a blood vessel which is known as dorsal blood vessel, which is the main one, but there is no capillaries present, which means capillary system is absent in open type circulation. And also there is no respiratory pigments in this hemolymph, and there is no gas exchange in hemolymph because they have got some other structures for the gas exchange. And we can say that blood flow is very slow in open type circulations, right? If you are pumping some liquid through a vessel, it will have a more force, right? It will have more force, but here no vessels are present, so the blood flow is very slow. And examples are mollusks and arthropods. So just go through the points once again by pausing the screen or this video. And now this is a closed type circulation. So what happens in closed type circulation? See, there is a heart, and the heart is pumping blood through vessels, and again these vessels are branched into more number of vessels, and they are present in each organ. See, organs are not directly bathed in blood, but they are having blood capillaries. So as in here, blood circulates within closed vessels or capillaries. So here in closed type circulation, the blood circulates within closed vessels, not directly released to the body cavity, right? And as we already told, capillary system is present in closed type circulation, so that only organs will get the contact with the blood, right? So because of this presence of capillary system, organs are not immersed in blood and they are having capillaries intact, right? And the next difference is that respiratory pigments are present in closed type circulation, and also respiratory gases are present, because the main function of blood in our body is the exchange of gases and also the transport of nutrients. And what will be the speed of the blood flow here? Yes, it will be very fast, or it will be faster than open type circulation. So can you say some examples for closed type circulation, or the examples for animals having closed type of circulation? Yes, some of the annelids like earthworms are having closed type of circulation, and also higher organisms like vertebrates are also having this closed type of circulation. So here is a comparison between closed type and open type. See, the hemocoel, which is the body cavity in those organisms, are filled with blood, which is known as hemolymph, and there is no blood vessels present. But in closed circulatory system, there is blood vessels and also capillaries to conduct blood. See, that is a major difference here. And here the organs are not bathed in blood, but in open circulatory system, the organs or tissues are in directly contact with the blood. So these are the main differences, and we have annelids and vertebrates for closed type of circulation, and we can classify animals like mollusks and arthropods based on they are having open type of circulation. So this is about the blood vascular system, and it is of two types, open and closed. Based on this, we can classify animals. I hope you got the points, and just go through it once again. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in next sessions.